How to turn on subtitles on your Amazon Prime Video. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn on subtitles on your Amazon Prime Video. So first of all, open the Prime Video app and now make sure you are logged into your Prime Video account. And now once you're logged in, let us open any movie or series you want and then simply play them. And now let us play the movie, and as you can see there is no subtitles. So in order to turn on subtitles, what you have to do is on the top right corner of the screen you can see three different options. So tap the second one right over here and then you can see the option subtitles. So currently it is turned off. So if you want to add an English subtitle, scroll down and then tap on the option English and now close it. Now if you go to any part of the movie or series, subtitles will be shown. So that is basically how you turn on subtitles on your Amazon Prime Video. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.